Today I am hands on the Huawei Nova 5 Pro. Okay, first overview of the phone. Phone display. It's a 6.39 inches Full HD plus OLED display. Phone backside is a 4 camera here. Main camera is a 48 megapixel. Secondary one is a 60 megapixel ultra wide angle. And secondary two lenses is a one is a depth sensor 2 megapixel. Other one is the 2 megapixel TOF sensor. And the phone is very classy look, but it's not. It's a glass finish. On phone bottom side is a Type-C port and speaker grills and secondary noise cancellation mic here. This phone battery capacity is 3500 mAh battery. Is a 14 watts fast charging supported. Phone top side is a water drop notch here. This phone running on Android 9 latest version EMUI 9.1.1. Phone left side is nothing. Top side the SIM ejecting pin here. Overall this phone and lot of the people's asking the main question, this is the Huawei phone, so it's running on Android or Hangman OS. Yes, guys, this phone running on the Android. It's the latest Android 9, but maybe you outer from China and coming security updates not available maybe, but this problem is fixed too, no problem. Otherwise, security update not available. But now it support the Google Play Store and everything because it's an Android device. Also, this phone you get to 128 GB version and 8 GB RAM and 8 GB RAM 250 GB storage version RAMs available. This is the Pro version. Also, Huawei launched the two devices. One is the Huawei Nova 5 Pro, other one is the Huawei Nova 5i. It's a mini version. This is the premium version. This phone price is the $450. It's 8 GB RAM and 128 GB. It's not heavyweight. It's low weight, but its handling feeling is looking really amazing. Phone backside looking glass, but it's not the glass. It's a plastic. It's a plastic. Overall, I like the phone and the camera quality is really amazing. But the phone chain is little bit thin. Otherwise, the water drop notch full view display is a 4 cameras. And compared to the price, it's good, but it's not best. The better choice is Redmi K20 Pro. Okay, guys, what's your opinion? Your opinion comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel.